Now, let's dispel some myths surrounding real estate investing with limited funds. Myth number 1. Real estate is only for the wealthy. Think again. Fundrise shatters this misconception by democratizing real estate investment. With just $500, you can join the ranks of real estate investors and chart your path to wealth. Myth number 2. Real estate investing is too risky. Every investment carries risk, but Fundrise mitigates this by offering a diversified portfolio of high-quality properties. Do your homework, understand the risks, and invest wisely. Myth number 3. Property management is a hassle. Not with Fundrise. Say goodbye to the headaches of property management. Fundrise handles the grunt work so you can focus on reaping the rewards.